GeoDim Engine is an automated drawing creation and dimensioning tool for Autodesk Inventor. It helps users generate drawing documents from parts and assemblies, arrange drawing views, and apply dimensions according to the selected drawing options. By reducing repetitive drawing tasks, GeoDim Engine improves productivity and helps maintain consistent drawing results across multiple components in a project. Select the GeoDim tab and click the Drawing button. Default placement options allows users to select the preferred drawing view layout before creating drawings. By choosing a predefined placement pattern, GeoDim Engine automatically arranges the drawing views, helping reduce repetitive setup work. Next, set the standard templates for part and assembly drawings. This allows GeoDim Engine to generate drawings using the predefined company standard or preferred template. You can also select a theme to keep the workflow consistent and organized. Review assembly components in a structured list and instantly preview the selected part on the left for quick identification. Rule Editor allows users to configure detailed rules for automatic drawing creation, including placement, dimensions, symbols, notes, and drawing resources. Assembly options and parts. Options allow users to configure drawing automation rules for assemblies and individual parts. Users can define parts list placement, automatic numbering, notes, dimensions, symbols, and other drawing standards before generating drawings. The Basic Settings button allows users to configure standard rules used for automatic drawing generation. By setting the initial options such as assemblies, parts, dimensions, symbols, annotations, and drawing resources to standard settings, consistent drawing output can be obtained. Once configured, detailed settings for each option are automatically saved to suit user standards, so there is no NIA. Automatic Dimension. Options allow users to configure dimension rules by component type. Depending on whether the item is an assembly, sheet metal part, standard part, shaft-type part, or purchased component, users can selectively apply hole chains, edge chains, overall dimensions, holes and threads, radius, and chamfer dimensions. Sketch symbol settings allow users to configure custom symbols for automatic drawing creation. Users can enable symbols using the checkboxes on the left, define the symbol name and placement coordinates, and control whether each symbol is applied through assembly options or parts options. This allows only the required symbols to be inserted automatically based on the drawing type. Processing Note allows users to select standard notes such as manufacturing, welding, sheet metal, heat treatment, and assembly notes. Selected notes are automatically applied during drawing creation, helping maintain consistent documentation standards. Standard notes configured in Processing Note can be selected individually from the Machining Note column in the BOM list result. This allows users to apply the appropriate manufacturing, welding, sheet metal, heat treatment, or assembly note to each component based on its specific requirements. Drawing resources and dimension settings allow users to configure dimension display rules for each drawing standard. ISO, ANSI, and RTH. Common settings can define units, precision, and display formats for main and secondary dimensions. This helps generated drawings follow consistent company or project standards automatically. ISO, ANSI, and ARCH sheet settings allow users to configure drawing standards for each sheet size. Dimension text size, arrow size, BOM text size, dimension spacing, part spacing, and drawing resources can be defined separately for each format. This ensures that automatically generated drawings are properly scaled and formatted according to the selected sheet size. Detailed arrangement allows users to define precise placement margins for automatically generated drawings. Upper, bottom, left, and right margins can be configured separately for assembly and part drawings, helping ensure that views are positioned clearly and consistently within the drawing area. GeoDim Engine provides 3 drawing creation methods depending on the workflow. Quick Creation immediately runs drawing automation based on predefined settings. Semi-automatic allows users to review and adjust the list and options before controlling the drawing creation process step by step. Files. Without drawings. Only processes only the files that do not already have drawings, helping prevent due. Choose how generated drawings will be saved. Create separate drawing files for each item, or combine multiple drawing sheets into one file for easier project management. With GeoDim Engine, repetitive drawing creation becomes faster, more consistent, and easier to manage. By combining templates, automation rules, dimensions, notes, symbols, and drawing output options, GeoDim Engine helps streamline the entire drawing creation workflow in Autodesk Inventor.